He finds a Volkswagen Golf MK1 Rabbit that has been sitting untouched for 24 years and buys it for just $300. The car is covered in dust and grime, but its classic shape still stands out. It had been forgotten in a quiet garage, slowly aging as time passed. When he opens the door, the interior shows signs of wear, but also hints at its former charm. Determined to bring it back, he starts by cleaning the exterior and carefully inspecting every part. As layers of dirt come off, the paint begins to show life again. Under the hood, the engine looks tired but complete, giving hope for a revival. He replaces old fluids, checks key components, and prepares for the big moment. Everyone wonders if it will run after more than 2 decades of silence. Will this forgotten rabbit come back to life or stay a relic of the past?